Hello everyone, I'm Nadine, owner of NG Platinum Homes, and welcome to What Makes This Design Great. I am here at KBIS 2025 with our friends at Halo, and I have Joseph here, and he's going to show us some of these amazing products that are new that you want to highlight for us. So what do we have here?
Yes, ma'am. So this is the brand new ML Flex program for Halo. It is an extension on our previous ML series, the ML4. What we've done with this, we've made it much more flexible, given the name Flex. So we now have a 1-inch, which is the smallest aperture Halo light we've ever done. We have a 2-inch, a 3-inch, and a 4-inch. Not only that, these are canless products. So to install these, you do not need a housing or junction box to install this. These actually clip directly onto the junction box. On that junction box, you'll find color temperature control as well as lumen control. You have 5 colors, 2700 Kelvin to 5000 Kelvin, plus dim to warm as an option, which actually starts at 3000 Kelvin. And then when you dim it, it warms to 1800 Kelvin, very similar to like an incandescent bulb. That's great for like basements or movie theater rooms. It's very popular in anywhere you want to create a nice ambiance. Dim to warm is a great option. And then lumen select, which is basically you're selecting your brightness. So for high ceilings, you go with the high lumen option. For low ceilings, either your medium or your low lumen option. The other awesome thing about this is you have interchangeable trims. So a ton of different trim styles.
I was just going to ask you about that because for interior designers especially, you know, they all love lighting.
Yes.
But I think they don't really think about this as necessarily a pretty thing. So that's what I love about Halo too, is you have so many really pretty, like even behind you here, some really beautiful trims that you could, the interior designers or builders that are looking for that aesthetic can add into a space without making it looking too industrial.
Right. Obviously we do white trims for everything, but we also have satin nickel, Tuscan bronze. Matte black has become very, very popular, especially with wood ceilings. So obviously this is one of our best-selling options. The other thing is deep regression. So a lot of our products, you're gonna get regression, but with a deeper regression, it's more glare control. So you're actually giving your eye the most cutoff as possible, reducing that glare so that you're getting the light where you need it, but you're not creating a glary environment and you're not straining your eyes. The other thing is different beam angles. So we have interchangeable optics in all of these products as well. So if you take this trim off, you're able to actually just twist off the optic and you're able to change it anywhere from 15 degrees all the way to 55 degrees.
So if they want to highlight something.
Accent lighting, task lighting, wall washing, we have all of those options built into the ML Flex series. One more thing I want to talk about though is ML in the past has never had an adjustable option. With ML Flex, we now offer an above the ceiling adjustment. So you actually, not with this fixture, but with a different one, you're able to tilt it up to 35 degrees and rotate it 360 degrees. So again, for your task lighting, accent lighting, it's really great for that.
I love that. That's great.
So I actually have right behind me on this wall a visual of what SMX is. And so SMX is a surface mount downlight. It comes in 4-inch, 6-inch, 8-inch, 14-inch, and we have the biggest downlight we've ever made for Halo, an 18-inch as well. Wow. And so it comes in round and square as well. But the really cool thing about this is we've been able to make a surface mount downlight that has no flange around the outer edge. So typically with surface mounts is you either have something like this where you have a large flange and a lens on the interior. With SMX, the full front face of it is a lens. And then you have these really cool decorative options for the outer edge. And so obviously it comes in white, but we have a satin nickel that kind of just sits on top of it like kind of like a phone case. And then we have a Tuscan bronze and a matte black, which is very popular today.
And again, sticking with that design element, I think this is great for a minimal.
Yes.
And not taking away from any other lighting or aesthetics that are in the space. So again, I think interior designers can probably appreciate that, I'm sure.
Yeah, so with this full kind of lens front, it kind of disappears into your ceiling. It looks really good. And if you want that added decorative option of a different color around it, that's available. But as far as the features go, you get a lot of lumen output, up to 2000 lumens in the SMX, which is a lot of brightness. A lot of people just do one large surface mount downlight for an entire room. And you can absolutely do that with the 18-inch or the 14-inch, or a bunch of individual really small ones like the 4-inch, which I think look great. The other thing is full color temperature select, 2700 Kelvin to 5000 Kelvin color temperature, as well as dim to warm. So if you want that 3000 Kelvin that dims down to 1800, nice, warm, incandescent lighting, that's available as well.
And a lot of people really like that. That
Yes.
adjustable feature is great. Because some people might need it brighter for some time, and
Yeah.
then they want to change it and, you know, make it a little dimmer for another purpose. So the fact that they can do that, that's great.
That's
I love
right.
that.
Yep.
Yeah. So thank you for talking with us and showing
Absolutely.
us your amazing products, and stay tuned for the next episode.
All right. Thank you very much.